Hello, PJP families. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of the Double Good fundraiser and show you how you can get your pop-up store set up. First of all, we only have 4 days for this fundraiser. It is limited time. It has its start and end time set. So this is going to start Tuesday, May 11th at 5 p.m. and then it goes through Saturday, May 15th at 5 p.m. Again, only 4 days. So that's why it's very important to make sure we are prepared for the start. And actually, even if you already have your store set up and people already have your link, they won't be able to purchase until that start time. But anyway, the way to get started is on either Google Play or the App Store, depending on your phone. You would download the Double Good app. So this is it, Double Good. So go ahead and download that. When it's downloaded, open it, and it's going to ask you for a code. It's this here, WSJJXT. Basically, this lets the system know that you are with Pope John Paul School. Then you'll see this reminder, again, 4 days, and a reminder to share your link. We are asking all families to set up their pop-up store. You do not need to do one per student, it's just one per family. So you're gonna hit create a pop-up store. And then you're gonna add a picture. You can either take one from your current photos or take a new picture. We are asking for our students to have their uniform, or if anything, just go ahead and put the logo of the school. And then it'll ask for your name. You can put the parent's name, or you can put the kid's name. And then the goal. Go ahead and enter your goal, whatever that may be. We are asking that you don't do any less than $500. I know it sounds a little bit high, but you'd be surprised how easy and fast it was for some families to sell well over that amount. And that's because you'll be able to share the pop-up store on your social media. It could easily go viral. And again, we keep 50% of what you sell. So why are we fundraising? You can go ahead and add a personal message there. Like, for example, my child goes to Pope John Paul. We're fundraising, and the reason is to improve the school's technology. I would say also here, make a note that we receive 50% of the amount of the total sales. I know the popcorn could be a little bit expensive, but I think making a note of it that we keep 50%, kind of makes it a little bit, people are more willing to go ahead and pay the higher price because they know that it's going to go towards the school. And then also say that it's a 4-day fundraiser, and you'll be able to buy beginning Tuesday, May 11th at 5 p.m. So once you have your pop-up store, it'll have the picture, which here is a little bit cut off, the name, your goal, and it'll keep showing the progress. Then you can share your pop-up store link. This is how it'll look next. You can send it by text, Gmail, the chats, newsfeed, a Facebook, or you can copy the link however you want to set this up. So let's just say I'm going to send it by email. Could have chosen text or Facebook. But here you would be able to send it as a regular email. You can make this. This is just what automatically comes up, but you can change it. Again, here I would say, my son or my daughter's school is fundraising to improve the school technology. The school gets to keep 50% of all sales. Help us out. This store is going to be open only 4 days, starting on Tuesday, May 11th at 5 p.m. And then again, I just keep repeating, we are going to be receiving 50% of the sales. Last fall, in the fall in November, we had only about 22 or 23 families participating. And altogether, the sales was just over $10,000, which means that the school was able to keep just over $5,000. And this was all within just 4 days. So this spring's goal is to have 66 families participating and raise a total of $10,000. So please help us out. Go ahead and set up your store. It'll just take a few minutes. Share that link, and you never know who's going to see it. Maybe you share it on your Facebook page. Somebody saw it. They share it on their Facebook page. It could go viral, and we don't know where it'll end up, but we'll be able to benefit from that. So the popcorn sales, the sale is done online. You do not need to worry about them picking up the product and delivering to the homes, because this is going to be mailed out directly to the buyer's house. Also, I am going to be hosting a Zoom meeting tomorrow, Thursday at 6 p.m. I'll go ahead and send that link an hour prior to the start time. If you have any questions, you're having trouble, or you just want a little bit more guidance on how to set up the pop-up store, that's the time to ask any questions. I'll be available to help anyone. So again, please set it up, and any questions tomorrow at 6 p.m. I'll send the Zoom link at around 5. Thank you.